All right, so this lab 8, basically you're going to log into that MySQL database that I've been showing you that everyone here has username and password for. And you're basically going to create a database, 2 tables, and add some stuff to it, call it a day.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully you can get VPN access. I've given you inside of your repository, if you pull from upstream, my client2.conf file, you should be able to get it. Hopefully it'll work without any problems. You may, actually, let me go look at that file and see if there's something you need to do to it. Change your IP address. Don't take .17. Take something else. Maybe
.22.
22. Yeah, take another.
Don't take mine.
Just don't take my IP.
23, 24, 25. There we go.
Yeah.
I'm 23?
Sure.
Yeah.
Besides that,
25.
yeah, the rest of that looks pretty good.
What's 17?
That's me.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I didn't know if it was something special.
No. Wait, are you saying I'm not special?
No, he didn't say that. You said that.
I am offended.
No, he said he didn't know if it was something special. You said no. So you called your stuff not special.
All right. So yeah, get VPN, change the IP address. If it doesn't work, contact Travis.
You also put the certifications.
Yeah, that's fine.
P West VPN.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Isn't it like different if we're doing it on our machine?
You know, I don't know. Depends on how we set up VPN.
Okay.
Okay.
But if it is, we'll go bother Travis. Then when you're on the VPN, just go over to the Debian machine 10.0.0.8, SSH over, and then you should be able to log into MySQL. So let me show you those commands. SSH 10.0.0.8. You can also just putty there. And let me actually be the correct user for that.
Tor?
No, it's Debian. And then you do mysql-user, your user that you put in. I'm putting in root, but whatever you typed in. And then -p means that you're going to put the password from the command line. Then you enter the password, 1, 2, 3. And now you're right here in MySQL, and you can first start with show databases. And be sure to create your own database that you're going to manipulate. Don't use these people's databases. So first off, note for each of the following, list what commands you use to perform it. So make sure you just copy and paste that into a text document. Create a database with your name, or whatever name you want. Just make it obvious I know who you are. Create a table authentication to hold records for username, password, and ID. We've done that today. Then create another table inventory to hold records for items, name, quantity, description, and price. Create 3 user, create 10 items, change the price of one of the inventory items. We're done. All right, just simple basic, get us started with how SQL works. And then next time we'll do an actual SQL injection.
So just go to Dr. Win for this then.
For
His
how to do-
lab. How to do everything.
Oh, is he doing this in advance or no? Don't know.
I'm not in that class.
What?
What class?
I don't know what you
Network
said.
penetration?
Yeah, there's a disconnect right now between the 2 classes. But yeah, has he done this SQL? No.
By disconnect, you mean this one's ahead and he's behind?
Basically.
Well, no, there's a difference here. There's a
Okay.
disconnect because you got to understand his class is doing the theory, you know, what's actually going on. I'm just telling you how it's done. Telling you what to do, right?
That's
So
what
it can look like I'm ahead, but in reality you don't understand how everything's working because I'm just giving it to you as fast as possible. So it's a little, the disconnect is a difference here. The other one is making sure we don't overlap too much.
So it's basically like data structures with the STL library.
Data structures with the STL library.
Standard template library.
Right, I'm just trying to think. Oh, I see what you're trying to say. Right, okay. Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, he's doing data structures, I'm doing STL. Sure. That's a good analogy. Okay. Please submit with the text file your MySQL username, your database name, the command you used to create each of the above tasks. Just make sure that's in a text file. Don't change other people's passwords, even though I've given you permission to do whatever you want to that database. It's due a week from
Wait,
today.
you're giving us permission to do whatever we want?
Yeah, I just did grant all to all of y'all for, you can even drop me if you wanted to. Look, guys, permission issues annoy me. Just here, have all of them. Don't be mean to everyone else.
Don't be a
Do you
troll.
care what we create or
Don't
This
be a
is the
troll.
reason
No.
we can't have nice things.
Yeah, don't be the reason we can't have nice things. Exactly.
Yeah.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. It's due a week from today. No teamwork. Majority of this lab was not taken from there. I don't know why the citation's there, but that's okay. Any questions?
Nope.
Good. I will stop recording.
He's gonna look
What
at
is
your
that
foot
link
again.
anyway?